welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Madge, and for today's video we're going to talk about Robby Wallet airdrop, guys. Actually season 2 na siya and pa-end na yung season 2 nga this coming June 30. So kung hindi ka pa nakapag-start or hindi ka pa nagawa si Robby Wallet, make sure na gawin nga siya before June 30 para makakuha or makakumulate kayo ng points, guys. So in this video tuturuan ko kayo kung paano nga ba kayo makakuha ng points kay Robby Wallet and ano bang mga requirements for this one. Kaya don't skip, stay tuned to the end of this video para wala kayong ma-miss na important details. But before we jump into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and ring that notification bell so you'll always be updated to my upcoming videos and off the clock episodes. So first, kailangan nyo munang i-download siya sa inyong extension or sa inyong browser, guys. And then dito kasi si Robby Wallet, if you ever use MetaMask, so meron silang pwede nyo na ma-import directly si MetaMask kay Robby Wallet. So kung nakapag-swap kayo, very active kayo kay MetaMask nyo, guys, nag-drop ng points. Isa yun sa mga makakuha kayo ng points kay Robby Wallet. So these points could impact your potential Robby token airdrop. So kailangan i-claim now before June 30 and begin accumulating more points, guys. Okay? So dahil, as you can see, mayroon naman siya naka-separate. Although pwede naman i-import, but mayroon din import na naka-separate for MetaMask, guys. And then as you can see, directly na for the password. And then here, ilalagay nyo na yung inyong phrase, guys, yung tabi nyo. So always itabi nyo yung phrase nyo, yung seed phrase nyo, kasi mahalaga yan once na nag-import kayo sa sa OKX, sa other wallet, guys. Okay, so ito yung makikita nyo kagad. So here, yung pinakauna, yan yung pinaka-address ng inyong MetaMask, and then the rest, pwede nyo na rin siya for additional address, guys. So pwede nyo siyang sa left side nga, guys, and as you can see, once na kinilik yan, nag-blue button yan, it means pwede na siyang makita nyo na siya sa inyong Robby Wallet, yung address na mismo yan. So pwedeng lahat yan, pwedeng tatlo lang, pwedeng dalawa lang. It's really up to you, guys, kung gusto nyong lahat yan, at least, di ba, mayroon kayong spare if you want, di ba, so something like that. So after that, once na umokay na kayo, pwede na tayo pumunta sa Robby Points. So yun yung mahalaga, guys, yung Robby Points. As you can see, that I have wallet balance and you're active, so I got 100 points. But of course, when in-input nyo yung aking code nasa description box, or pag click naman din yung link sa description box, mag-automatic yan. So may additional kayong points. So don't forget, although optional naman siya, pero at least malalagyan yung points nyo once na in-input nyo yung aking code dyan, guys. And then claim. So once na na-claim nyo siya, guys, you can earn more points, guys. Actually, season 2 na nga siya. So backed by ito kasi ng the bank, guys. So as you can see, may nakita kayo, pag nakita nyo yung Robby Wallet nyo, mayroon siyang the bank, guys, for the badge, which is yung mga nauna dito. So yung first 100,000 ata nagkaroon ng additional points for that. And then don't forget to create your own referral code para kung gusto nyo mag-refer. So may time pa naman, guys. So you can get additional 50 points. And then ito ngayon, Robby Free Gas Badge, which is sa debunk yan, guys. So I think hindi na tayo kasama dyan kasi it's first 100,000 to claim badge. And then kinilik ko kasi yan kanina, hindi na siya parang wala na siyang parang to claim kasi nga season 2 na. So marami nang nakagawa ng Robby Wallet account. So backed by siya ng debunk. So kaya sabi nga nila, don't miss this airdrop. Kasi, and then yun nga, di ba, para rin sila MetaMask, di ba, itong si Robby Wallet. And then yun nga, pinag-uusapan way back before, possible na magkaroon din si MetaMask ng own token. So kadalasan naman ngayon nakikita natin yung mga wallets ay nagkakaroon ng own token. Even the bridging site guys. Kaya don't miss this one kasi isa sa mga sikat ngayon si Robby Wallet guys. But of course, we never know kung magiging paldo ba siya or depende kasi yan sa ibibigay na Robby token. So earn more points guys. So possible magkaroon ng season 3, but of course kung may time pa kayo today or tomorrow, gawin nyo na kagad siya before June 30. Yan yung last claiming Robby points. Ayan guys, so don't miss out. Open Robby extension and go to Robby points to claim your points now guys, especially if you are very active as of the moment sa inyong MetaMask. Kung yun ang in-import nyo, diba, magkakaroon kayo na mas mataas pang points guys. Okay, and then of course kapag nag-invite kayo or may na-invite kayo, pwede nyo na naman siya i-share guys. So don't forget to do this before June 30. So until next time guys, goodbye!